Good morning students, I am Deepali Patil, your maths teacher. In previous section we have already seen that up to exercise 2.3. Today we are going to study chapter exercise 2.4 of chapter number 2, linear equation in one variable of 8th standard. Okay, so take first example of that exercise. So read the example first. Amina thinks of a number and subtracts 5 by 2 from it. She multiplies the result by 8. The result now obtained is 3 times the same number she thought of. What is the number? Okay, so the number she think of is not given to us. So suppose that number be x. So write down, let the number she thinks of, let the number she thinks of bx. Okay, so suppose that number bx. Now what is given to us again? And she subtract 5 by 2 from it, means from this number she subtract 5 by 2. So write down the given condition becomes therefore x minus 5 by 2. Okay, so x minus 5 by 2 is obtained. Again what is given? She multiplies the result by 8. She multiply this whole result. Okay, so this whole result obtained, she multiplies this result by 8. So multiply this result by 8, we get x minus 5 by 2 into it. Okay, now see next, the result now obtained is 3 times the same number she thought of. This result, okay, this result obtained, this result is equal to what? 3 times of the same number, means 3 times of this x. So x minus 5 by 2 multiplied by 8 is equal to 3x. Okay, now this condition is required here. So now we have to find out the number she thinks of, means here we have to find out the value of x. So solve this equation, simplify this equation, we get the value of x. So first simplify this bracket. X minus 5 by 2 multiplied by 8 means multiply this whole bracket by 8. So multiply by 8, so we get 8x minus 5 by 2 multiplied by 8 is equal to 3x. Now here we have to find out the value of x. So how can we find the value? We have to transpose this 3x to LHS. Okay, and this whole quantity with sign to RHS. So transpose all the terms, therefore, so write down first transposing 3x to LHS and minus 5 by 2 into 8 to RHS. Okay, transpose this middle term with sign to RHS. Okay, after transposing, positive terms becomes negative and negative terms becomes positive. So what we get? 8x minus 3x is equal to, this negative term becomes positive 5 by 2 into it. Okay, therefore now see here x is common in this both quantities, so take it common. Okay, and 8 minus 3 are the remaining terms, which is equal to, see here, 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8 is remaining. Okay, after multiplication of 5 into 4 we get 20. Therefore 8 minus 3 is 5x is equal to 20. Again here the value of x is not required, so if we have to find out the value of x, we, okay, only the value of x, then we have to divide both sides by 5. So write down here, dividing both the sides by 5, we get, okay, divide both the sides by 5, we get 5x upon 5 is equal to 20 upon 5, and therefore 5 get cancelled, we get x here, and in this side 5 ones are 5, 5 fours are 20, and therefore we get the value of x as 4, and therefore the number Amina thinks of becomes 4, and therefore write down the answer in one sentence. Hence the required number is 4. Now take second example. Read the example. A positive number is 5 times another number. If 21 is added to both the numbers, then one of the new number becomes twice the other new number. What are the numbers? Okay, now here what is given to us? A positive number is 5 times the another number. Okay, positive number is 5 times, but another number positive number is 5 times the another number, but here see here another number is not given to us. So suppose that number be x. Okay, if we suppose that number be x, then positive number becomes 5 times of that number. So write down, let the another number be x, let the another number be x, and the positive number be 5x. Okay, because the positive number is 5 times of this another number. So if we suppose another number be x, then we get positive number as 5x. Now what is given to us again? If 21 is added to both the numbers. Okay, if 21 is added in this x and 5x, then one of the new number becomes. Okay, so if we add 21 in this both number, we get new numbers again. But these new numbers, okay, so first write down if 21 is added, to x, then the first number becomes x plus 21. Okay, and if we add 21 in this number, then the second number becomes 5x plus 21. Okay, so if we added 21, then we get two quantities, x plus 21 and 5x plus 21. Okay, now see next what is given to us. Then one of the new number becomes twice the other new number. Okay, one of the new number, exactly not given to us x plus 21 is the new number or 5x plus 21 is new number. Okay, so if we suppose x plus 21 is new number, then 5x plus 21 is twice of the number, but exactly not given to us. So two conditions are here. Okay, which two conditions? If we suppose x plus 21 is the new number, then 5x plus 21 is twice of this x plus 21. Okay, this is the first condition. And second condition is what? If we suppose 5x plus 21 is one new number, then x plus 21 is twice of this new number. And then after solving these two conditions, we can easily find out the value of x. So write down first case. So write down here case number first. If x plus 21 is new number, then 5x plus 21 is twice of the new number. Okay, so if x plus 21 is new number, then 5x plus 21 is twice of this new number. Okay, this is the first condition. So how can we obtain the equation then? If x plus 21 is new number, okay, if x plus 21, that is x plus 21 is new number, then another number becomes twice of this x plus 21, means twice of this 5x plus 21. Okay, so if x plus 21 is new number, then 5x plus 21 is twice of this new number, means we get the condition as given, x plus 21 is equal to twice of this 5x plus 21. Okay, now solve this equation. How can we solve? X plus 21 is equal to, now multiply this bracket by 2. 5x into 2 is 10x plus 21 into 2, 42. Okay, again solve this equation. Okay, if we have to find out the value of x, then we have to transpose the terms. Okay, so write down transposing. Which term we have to transpose this? Collect the similar terms. So transposing x to RHS and 42 to LHS. Okay, after transposing we get the condition as below. See, if we transpose x to RHS, it becomes negative, and if we transpose 42 to LHS, it becomes negative. So we get 21 minus 42 is equal to 10x minus x. Okay. Now here see. Now see here 21 minus 42. Okay. One term is positive, another term is negative. So we can do their subtraction. So 21 minus 42 is 21. But the biggest number has negative sign. So write the negative sign here, which is equal to 10x minus x. So again x is common here, and then in bracket remaining terms are 10 minus 1. Okay, and therefore minus 21 is equal to what? 10 minus 1 is 9x. Okay, and therefore x is equal to, okay, and if we have to find out the value of x, then what we have to do? What we have to do then? Divide both the sides by 9. So write down minus 21 upon 9. Okay, write down the reason here. Since dividing both the sides, by 9. Okay, and therefore if we divide this side by 9, then 9 get cancelled, and in this side 9 is there. Okay, so x is equal to minus 21 upon 9, and therefore we get x is equal to 9 ones are 9, 9 threes are 20. Sorry, dividing both the sides by 9, write down here, dividing both the sides by 9, we get after dividing both the sides by 9, we get minus 21 upon 9 is equal to 9x upon 9. Okay, so see 9 get cancelled. In this case we get x is equal to minus 21 upon 9. Okay, both these numbers are divisible by 3. So write down, therefore x is equal to 3 3s are 9 and 3 7s are 21. Okay, so we get x is equal to minus 7 upon 3. So we get first value of x, that is x is equal to minus 7 upon 3. So this is the value of x. Now we have to find out the value of 5x. Okay, we have to find out this 5x also, and therefore 5x is equal to what then? 5 into minus 7 upon 3, which is equal to minus 35 upon 3. Okay, so in first case we get the values of x and 5x, that values are x is equal to minus 7 upon 3 and 5x is equal to minus 35 upon 3, and therefore write down the answer. Hence the required numbers are minus 7 upon 3 and minus 35 upon 3. Okay, so in this first case we get the values of x, that values are minus 7 upon 3 and minus 35 upon 3. Now come to the next case. Write down case number second. Okay, case number second is what then? When second new number, okay, we in first case we take, if x plus 21 is new number, then 5x plus 21 is twice. Now in second case we have to take when 5x plus 21, even 5x plus 21 is one new number. If 5x plus 21 is one new number, then x plus 21 is twice, of that number. X plus 21 is twice of that number. Okay, this is the second case. So the meaning of this case means what? 5x plus 21, the meaning of this case is 5x plus 21 is what? Twice of the x plus 21. Okay, so we get the second condition. If we suppose 5x plus 21 is one new number, then the another number becomes twice of this number. Okay, now solve this equation again. Therefore 5x plus 21 is equal to 2x plus 21 2s are 42. Okay, so 5x plus 21 is equal to 2x plus 42. Now again we have to transpose the terms. Now so write down, transposing 2x to LHS and 21 to RHS. After transposing, we can easily find out the value of x. So we have to transpose these terms. So we get 5x. Okay, so this 2x is positive. After transposing, it becomes negative. So 5x minus 2x is equal to, again in RHS 42 is positive. If we transpose 21 is positive in this side. If we transpose 21 to RHS, it becomes negative. So write down 42 minus 21. And therefore 5x minus 2x, again x is common. Okay, and 5 minus 2 becomes 3. 3x is equal to 42 minus 21 is 21 again. So we get 3x is equal to 20, and therefore x is equal to 21 upon 3. Okay, now what we have done actually here? What we have done? Dividing, write down the reason. Since dividing, this condition is not directly, so write down since dividing both the sides, by 3, we get x is equal to 21. Okay, if we divide this side by 3, then we get only x. 3 get cancelled, and if we divide this side by 3, then we get 21 upon 3. So we did not write this term directly. Okay, so x is equal to 21 upon 3, and therefore x is equal to what? 3 ones are 3, 3 sevens are 21, and therefore we get the value of x, that is x is equal to 7. Okay, so we get x. Now find out 5x, and therefore 5x is equal to, okay, we get x here. Find out 5x, then therefore 5x is equal to what? 5 into x means 7. Okay, x means 7, which is equal to 5 into 7 is 35. Okay, so we get both the numbers. Again, x is equal to 7 and 5x is equal to 35, and therefore write down the answer. Hence the required numbers are 7 and 35. Again, see here in example, see the example. A positive number is 5 times another number. Only positive numbers are given to us. Okay, but in case number first, see, x is equal to minus 7 upon 3 and 5x is equal to minus 35 upon 3. These two numbers are not possible because these two numbers are negative numbers. In example, what we have given? Only positive numbers. So these two numbers are not possible in this case. So the actual required numbers are what then? 7 and 35. Okay, so this example is completed. Now come to the next example. Okay, now next example. So read the example first. Sum of the digits of a two-digit number is 9. When we interchange the digits, it is found that the resulting new number is greater than the original number by 27. What is the two-digit number? Okay, so that two-digit number we have to find out. Okay, suppose 25 is the two-digit numbers, then we can say that 5 is at unit place and 2 is at tens place. Okay, and sum of this two-digit number is also given to. Okay, sum of this two-digit number is what? 2 plus 5. Okay, we have to add these digits. After adding these digits, we get 2 plus 5 is equal to 7,